Oh, this town door. I'm back in a hard truck. Oh, got the phone before I even get started. Let me check my phone. Look, call my wife. I'll return. Now, back to what we're doing. Like I said, I'm back here on a hard truck, 18 wheel of steel, the old game. I've just started on YouTube here recently. I'm fixing to try to do another load. I made one yesterday and got away with it. We'll try another today. I might not get away with it. No harm, there's no harm in trying. I don't know how long I'll run this game. It don't do real well as far as the videos and all compatibility, so they don't not real well. But we're gonna try it. We was in. Well, we go to load. We start in one of the other area, even that area, it would make me start over. So let's try to start right here where I stopped at. That's what I want to do. Now, I believe it's about dark out here. I'd rather be daylight. You gotta start your engine and see us. Instead of getting a wall, I think I can't get the city I'm looking for. You're sleepy too. I believe I can sleep anywhere. And what I need now is probably some fuel. I don't know where the fuel's at. Let's see if it's in here in town. Ain't no map of that part of it. Seems like there's fuel uptown here though. I know it's not on the highway. Well, I see. What they're saying ain't nothing out there, I think what they're saying. I'm looking for a fuel station. I don't mind being sleepy right now too much.
Coming up on a flag waiver, southbound 5.
Anything down here, I think it's dead end probably. Dead end. Oh, I see it. It's shop over there, car shop. That's not got anything to do with what I'm looking for. I'm thinking a fuel station back on these little streets back here. I don't know for a fact. I don't think it tells you where one's at. You have to find it. My mind says there's one of these places a long time ago. Why? Because I can't see. What's this over on my left? Look here what I found. That was a long time ago since I've been here. I mean, it's been 10 years probably longer since I was here. But I remembered it. Probably over this side here. Should be it right here, this thing. There we go. There we go, right there. I think we sleep almost anywhere, I think. I got one problem with sleeping. When I do, it starts the live stream. I do not want the live stream started, so I need to have to turn it back off if I do this. Okay, that's what I have. I'm gonna manage to stop it again. I'll stop the live stream after I start. We have got 3 hours of time to sleep. I need to redo these buttons on this thing. I'm having to turn it off, the live stream on and back off real quick to do this. I don't know how well it's going to work on live stream. May have it all messed up, but I'm making a local recording, so the rest of it don't make much difference. Well, I didn't do that. I forgot to set the time on that one. I was trying to hurry and get the live stream back off. 16 hours is most you can get of sleep. That's there we go. Now let's see if we can get out of here. 16 hours is most you can build up ahead of yourself for driving time.
Throwing you the 3s and the 8s.
That's fine for load out of here now. I'll see something, I don't know what's that. I don't really care where I go to, the longer the time, the better I like it. Coffee rating just changed. Okay. Here we go right here. We got 21 to San Francisco. One, Edna can't make it there. So 21 can, I think. To San Francisco. Let's see if we can find a way out here to San Francisco now. We are at. We need to find I-10. If I remember correctly, right up here. Not real sure. We passed something a while ago. Maybe what? Maybe what? But there's a light. Ain't a light right here? I saw a light right here.
Just past the dirty side up at Milestick 5, just outside Reno.
I'll see some signs. Let's go to the signs. It's like hard to drive. Go to the signs, see what they say. Twilight, Los Angeles, Las Vegas. Twilight is nowhere. We don't want to go there. It this way. Should be a sign out here somewhere. Like I see an overhead bridge back there. Should go to the left on that bridge if I ain't bad mistake. Go on that lane over there. I tried to push the button, but that won't change it on this one. They won't recognize the hat on this one. He turned. I thought he was going to go straight across. That'd be all. Get a little tight there if he went straight across. Alright, here we go. We got fuel to get us to that same station we stopped at coming in. Without any problem. This should be what we have right here. It says we're on loop right now, but it says we should think of as 10. The other lane carries the 10 still. Still on the other lane. Not that it matters as long as I pay attention. Don't let everything pass me. Don't get past something I don't need to. Let's just keep him turning off all this far. I want it outside lane once we get wound out, I think. We'll get it right now. I'll just lay up here a minute. Get this stuff out of my way. What's feeling is a cop right there. We don't need fuel. We got fuel in the town. We don't need sleep. We've already slept. Let's see what we can do. Now we gotta stay on 10 and 5. Deliver this load. We got 19 minutes to get there. 19 whatever, probably hours. I'll do is keep it moving. The only way to make this time. Try to make one back to San Francisco. I find out we got to go to ML. ML is, I'm thinking that first part of San Francisco left, I think. Seems like that's where we picked it up at. Either way, we'll find going in and tell me where to go and I'll be able.
We got your back door hand.
Get there quick enough, I'll have time to look at them and decide. Running short time, you have to do it on the fly. Tunnel coming up, get in the road. Scales. Right on the top of the scales. I'd rather not, but this time we got to go out on the right hand lane. Get out. Finally get back on the right path. On this thing, it'll only gear down when it drops below, I think 17. No, 21 maybe. RPM has dropped a certain amount before the gear down. You can buy that license for this stuff later on. Here we go. Let's get this thing rolling. Come on, today. I'm trying. I've got to pedal to the middle because they ain't doing a lot of going. It's dark out here now. I don't know how long the night lasted here. Headed towards Los Angeles to go tomorrow, hit 5 and go to fuel station and back to San Francisco. I think I can make it from the fuel station in San Francisco and back to the fuel station, I believe. Back in road gear. Ain't got her all wound up yet, but she's trying. Alright, quick then, you go hit the rails. We are coming from There. It don't tell you how to get around this town, so I don't have a map all the way up though. We gotta get 10. As long as them RPM is above 21, it won't downshift. You hear it click, I'm going through the motions, it's not really moving. It's because I wanted to do it, not because it let me. You hear it click, I wanted to change gears, whether it did or not. Or 15 is 5 straight ahead, you see. If you move that quick, it moves a little. Back over here. 10.
Going 10-10, all hands. Good night.
It's gonna take him a nap, I think. Going off duty for a while. Through here somewhere the rocks are getting away enough you can't get over. I don't remember exactly where or how much, but there is a place. At night you can't really see them either. I-5. We don't want to go I-5. Yes, we did. That play must have been the wrong turn. Oh, shucks. I-5 is what we wanted. I was thinking 10 when I said that. I-5 is one that goes up. Los Angeles. They stay on the red road for they do. Until I get back to that. I think I gotta keep going around. This keeps going around. Gotta get back to I-5. I hope. Don't know where the get off point is. I really don't. But I did make a wrong turn. Sure. We're burning up time right now. The loop around Los Angeles is long. Back on I-5 bad now. What we got here? Gotta stay on this road here yet. That just takes you up to the city. We don't want to go to the city. This 50 is back on I-5 somewhere around here. Should have a choice. Should have a choice. I don't know where. I don't know how to find it. It's costing us dear time right here. Something, I don't know, there's something about this right here. Something about this tunnel. Then they're coming to my mind somewhere. Maybe with everything come back around yet. I don't know what that was, I couldn't read it. But, that's the same one that we had that here we go. Oh, I don't know, I see some signs, but they're all red. Everything Los Angeles so far.
Don't let a cop slip up on your doggy bags at 12.
Then let's get off my doggy bag. I can't figure out how to get out of here. I might not know how. I'm Thinking this loop will bring me back around to a sign to get me out of here. City up for me. Come on, give me a sign. It's not I-5. Should be I-5, I-10 sign here somewhere. Hope we got it. Yeah. No, it's all still red. We don't need to go up the city, I know that. Oh, get back over. We're wasting time now. We're losing fuel. I don't think you gotta go through the fuel station to get out of here. They got enough to do it for that stopping place.
That crickerhead got himself a bear bite.
Crickerhead got himself a bear bite. Got a ticket. I still don't see no way out of here. After that station, I think there's supposed to be a way somewhere pretty close there. If we don't find it pretty quick, we've lost this run again. But we run out of time quickly. 55 downtown. While we on this red, we're on the loop. The loop should bring you out of here. That's how you get out. Get on the loop, you find a, we don't have much speed, they got a ticket. Trying to get a ticket. Hey. In a tunnel, that ain't no good. So far, so good though. Time. I gotta keep it moving till time. Don't hear catch us and give us a ticket. 75 here, but not back the other. Don't slow down. Make him catch you. Make him catch you. There we go. We lost it. Now we need a sign. Hope we didn't run past the side there and all that. I don't think we did. I-5. Straight ahead, it says. That's what it says, straight ahead, yeah. It seemed like me, we lost it a while ago. What does it say here? I-5, straight ahead. Guess we done it. Hope I didn't see a vista. I looked off, I hope that wasn't right there where I messed up again. I'm not sure what that last sign said. I-5, we are so far. Drop the hammer. We are here, we still are short on time. The fuel's on this side, straight in and straight out, that'll help. We do need to hit the fuel. We're pretty good on fuel right now. No, we're here, we get short. I was looking at the wrong one, look at the truck condition. That's been looking at for a pretty good while now. We still should make the fuel station though. We're running short on time, but we're not out of time.
Got some bleed over.
Tell that man, turn that leader off. Microwave lead, know it's so bad. Car 500. If I remember correctly, the law here, you get a cop at you, and he'll chase you all the way to the fuel station. Seems like that happened to be a time or two. Shouldn't be too far from the fuel station now. first that repair shop under that. I don't want to hit that road or that car. I want to stop this thing. I don't want to do that. I want to keep it rolling. Only stop for fuel. Hopefully that's not too much. That's in Las Vegas. It didn't say fuel. Almost made a boo-boo. I did lose some momentum. But I almost turned there. But I inspected that fuel station. I couldn't see. I wanted the map was in my way. Couldn't make out what was behind the map. Alright now, you get yourself one over. So far, so good. I'm busy. Just a minute, baby. I can't stop in the middle of this. Because ain't no this thing. She wants to talk, but I ain't had time right now. I have to wait just a few minutes. I gotta get this load done before I do anything else. I'm sure she'll say something about that lady calling. She had some stuff she wanted to give somebody. Or want me to go get it. I ain't doing my work. Why don't I want to do everybody else's for it? But I ain't gonna do that to be a mistake. That'd be my favorite word, but I mean, it would be a mistake. Away that car. I want to hit that car as bad as I can back this car to it. Got time for a fuel station anytime now. 10 minutes left to get fuel and get to our dock and get it unloaded. 10 and a half. Fuel's right here. Anytime now. There's the sign. How's the speed limit sign? Speed limit 55. That's where you get that ticket I'm talking about. See what I told you? I was trying to slow down, but I didn't make it. They'll take you all the way to the fuel station. I don't hear you. That right there, he got me. He got me right there. That made him get me. That made him get me. I can't get way back up. I hit that cut. I hit that foot. How do you turn this thing off? It goes off on its own. Devil fuse right there. Alright, let's go. I just lost some time again. If I had hit that bus, I could make the fuel station. I think might be out running. I hit that. So you get in a hurry. You got short distance here to get over little birds like that. If you get on them little offsets there, they'll stop you too. Come on, let's get to the fuel station. Get this thing out of here. I ain't got enough fuel to make it without stopping. I ain't made the station yet, but I think I will. It's right here. I mentioned that cop, but it's 55 mile an hour speed zone, and I never did get down to it. You gotta get down to it before you get to that point. So right back up, just enough room for a speed trap. Come on, let's go. I got my gear too high for it to pull up on it. Gotta let that engine start singing. So keep climbing. Come on, give me that fuel station. I gotta roll down. See? Man, Thought it was on this side of that, but I sure ain't passed it yet. I don't still need to take the first left, but if I do that, I won't get make it to it. There it is right there. Now we're getting to the fuel station. See, we just barely get speed up, then we gotta stop. Get out of gear.
That cotton picker turned right in front of me.
That's what I said back up here. I really don't think it was that one. I got hit him from the side. Come on, let's go. Right hand leg. Out of here. Thing wound up before we get back to the road. We need to take the second exit to the left. Try to get into San Francisco and get rid of this thing. Might have been better to take the next exit, but I don't really want that much single lane road. I don't know exactly where this stops at, but it might help to get in backside. I think they both go on the same road though, that they come together about that little barricade that I went over. That wasn't on video, I don't think I probably cut it out. It was one of the starts that I didn't actually leave recording. So I didn't accomplish anything, so I cut it out and started over. We're trying to accomplish this time. Come on. Now we gotta turn off. We'll leave the road to the right, but we gotta go under the bridge. At that intersection right there. Not this one, but that follows it. Try to check, see if it dropped down here and pick up RPM, but it won't.
Look like you got a
road
load of
sometimes
go-go girls.
Yeah, sometimes you go down that ramp out there, look good. The only thing I worry about when you cross that bottom of the street is maybe a car in the way, or a bunch of them, or a bus, or something. If you get across there and not stopping, it's save you behind get behind a slow-moving vehicle, or one, especially if you're chasing with a cop. Cut through there, on that bridge, they'll all be stopped. You can't pass them. If they have to be lined up pretty close together, you can't get around them. That happens pretty regularly. All right, we got her going now. Past the first exit, so we need the second one. Our next intersection is the one we want. If there is this animal, I believe it is. Get away back to the truck. Here we go right here. Don't roll no cars now. Left, it was over this way. Across here now. There we go. We made that. I didn't change. I meant to slow the traffic down. I did. Pretty good shape because I was in, but I got a little bit more traffic than I actually need for my driving. All right, what we got left? 6 minutes, say almost 7 minutes to get this to the dock. ML, simple with green light. I can't read it. Somehow the blurs on it. Doc ML. Uh-oh, go in that car.
We have a bear in the air. Don't let that bear bite you.
I'm gonna do my best. Sometimes it's not good enough, but it's what I'm gonna do. That's all I got. Gotta be careful down here on our turn intersections. Try to read our signs, make sure we go the right direction, and not get traffic under us. Here we go. We still got 6.10. What we got with this sign here? Turn right. Right here, I guess. I'm not sure about this one. I'm thinking what it meant. Gotcha. Go straight through. Looks like we're going to be in pretty good shape here at this point. What we got down here? Bell turn or left. 5.239. Get this thing unloaded. Looks like it might work. But sometimes it scares you all the way around town though.
Should see the baby dolls I just passed.
Yeah.
Might have to detour.
We're going to what tour? Don't think so. Oh, we're gonna get a little snow like snowy there. We just feel like, hey, quit that. I didn't see my sign. I didn't get see a sign. Hope that's a big wagon. I didn't see the sign. Since the most people signs, they should get begin. Gotta read that sign if I can turn. I didn't read that back there. One sign I couldn't read, the rest of them I could. Left, I didn't see it. Oh. Oh, I got sleepy already. Don't want to open nobody before I get there. Sorry, it might be hailing out there. I'll just read this little sign there. L, turn left. Come over. L, turn left. L turn left again. Yes. Oh shit. He's saying I got to stop car. They got no brakes about this thing. Come on, move. Car on my right over here. Car on my right over here, I bet. Come on, let's go. Don't lose my trailer.
That cotton picker turned right in front of me.
Yeah, he did. He stopped from me, sucker. I was trying to hurry up. I forgot that they always bunch up here. Well, I got there, wasn't where to go. We still got the turn. Oh, come on, girl. We still got time. Everything goes halfway right. I see it already. Failed turn right. I see the sign right now on the angle yonder. All I gotta do is back this thing in. All I gotta do. Come on, wake up, wake up. Open your eyes up. You sleep later. Where's the arrow at? Where's the arrow at? I don't see it. Oh, there it is right there. Okay. Okay, there's the arrow right there. I could have went over closer before I turned. I thought I was far enough. Come on. Slow to move. Straight up.
That's
Straight
Big
up.
10-4, Big Bopper.
Straight up. Straight up. Straighten up. Get up the other way. Don't hit the wall. Dad blame it. This thing won't move enough to get you to figure out what the heck you're doing. Close that wall if I change my view. Back up. You ain't got all day. Pretty good shape here now. It's like, come on over. Get on over there. Get on over. Get on over. Now get back. Come on. Get back over that way a little bit. Now go look at the wall. Might do it here. We will. There you go, right there. We done it again. That's another load made. It wasn't real perfect, but we done it. That's another. Let's back it over here and park it for now. Come on, give me a backup sign. Park in this corner up there by the way. It's on the boat clear. Ain't nobody on the boat. Anyway, that's right there. We're going to park it right there. That's it right there. And we sleepy. We need fuel. We can make it back to that fuel station, I think, if we get ready to leave. But we may. I don't think there's no fuel in this town. You have to go outside of town and get fuel here. So we'll have to do what we have to do. There is a repair shop in here. I remember that. We're back to where we started. Anyway. Here we go. It's down there. We're going bye-bye. I'll catch y'all later. We'll do another run of something, another American Truck Simulator or airplane. We'll do something here later on, but I got things I need to do. Catch y'all later. I'm gone. What did it say here? Police on your tail. That was a while ago. When you admitting new drivers, like buy trucks and hire drivers and get money. That's what they're talking about. I hadn't tried that yet. I don't remember how to do it.